Here's a video on how to replace the engine air filter on a 2021 Hyundai Sonata Limited with the 1.6 turbo engine. This will work with the 2020 and newer models that use the same engine. Here is the air filter housing. Pull up on the cover. Here's the air filter itself. There's two lock tabs. There's a left and a right there. Gotta do is just turn these 90 degrees down. Turn that one 90 degrees down. Grab the handle and pull out. Here's this filter. This one is not terribly dirty. It is a little bit, but I don't have a replacement at the moment. There is the part number if you want the OEM Hyundai number, or should I say Hyundai and Kia. If there's a updated part number, I'll leave the link down below with the new part number. Otherwise, I'll have this part number linked below, as well as any aftermarket ones. To install, all you gotta do is, well, actually, before you install it, make sure the inside of the air box is fairly clean. This one could use some vacuuming, but if you can, grab any large debris such as leaves, and sometimes there's some dandelion pieces and stuff, so make sure that's all clean and vacuumed out. The filter goes in just like that. Take the tab, flip it back up, same as this side, flip it back up, and you close it. That's pretty much it. Aftermarket filters, some may not have this type of lock tab. I don't remember how the aftermarket ones work, but the aftermarket ones, they slide in, and the locking system may be different depending on which brand of aftermarket filter you use. So that's pretty much it. That's how you replace your engine air filter on a 2021 Hyundai Sonata Limited with the 1.6 liter turbo engine. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a like if it helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.